Right, guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a farm tour. So we're going to start outside with the outside equipment, and then we'll go inside the shed. We'll show you guys the outside of the equipment. Alright, first up we got our blower that we use once a year. Blowing that nice old corn solids in there. My dad just took all the spout today. Next up we got our Gale 4840. We'll start everything at the end of this video. We got our Gale 4840 with a Deutz Alice engine. Interior is really nice. Hand controls. Yeah, we got bucket. We got a manure bucket. We all got a second manure bucket. We got pallet forks. Our blade. The old 4020 cab that's been sitting in here. Yeah. And we got a 4230. Oh, I'll show you guys the hours after too. Here we got a 4230. This is my dad's favorite tractor out of all of them. TMR mixer as well. I'm not going to start this one up for you guys because I don't want my dad to have no hydraulics in the mornings. I'll just show you guys the hours on this one. No, I won't start it up. Got our TMR mixer. This has been a good mixer to us. PTO is kind of a pain in the ass. Get on the tractor and back off. Here we got our Bobcat S175 Kubota motor in it. It's a good skid steer we ever had. She is a real good unit. Motor, Kubota motor, it says right there on the top. Kubota. Good thing. And over here, we got our sand shooter for the Bobcat. And here we got our straw slash fork. I don't know what this is called, but we don't use that. We only use that for like logs. Here we also have our diesel tank for our 2014 truck that's just down there. Put this in the back, take her all the way to Quick Trip. Off-road diesel in there. Go in the shop here now. And here we got our Cubcadet lawnmower, 45-inch deck. It's been a good unit. And here we got my older brother's lawnmower. Piece of shit, honestly, piece of fucking junk. Only 42-inch deck. He bought it for $250. He's put $500 into it trying to get it run. Still don't run right. Here is our Arctic Cat 400 four-wheeler. It's my dad's first four-wheeler we had. Flipped it once. My brother flipped it twice. My older brother did. She sounds minty. She's real good. I'll show you guys how much miles there are in here. About that much. Right there. 5,229 miles on her. I'll start this bagger up for you girls. Good unit. Sounds mint. Go over here, we got our 4020 Synchro. New tires on it. Good tractor. Tractor for us. Real good tractor. 4020 Synchro. We added a little extra weight in the front. It's got brand new tires in the back. I don't know if I can. Right there are the hours. I'll get a closer look for you guys. Hours are right there. It's 2617. So 26,177 hours on it. This one has a whole new motor. My older brother rebuilt this tractor. Took it all the way to fucking Fenimore. Had that cab. But then we decided to put a roll bar on it. Here's our nice old customizations. Put blocks under there, hold her up. She looks mint. And here we got my dad's 720 gasser. Needs a new starter. Yeah, my dad's hoping to get this running so that me and my little brother can drive it. Here we got our case seeder. Good unit, good unit. Been real good to us. We plant alfalfa with this, oats in here, alfalfa in there. And we bought these chains, like last year because my dad couldn't get up the hill, the 4230, so we had to buy those for that. Here we got our case corn planter. Plant corn every single year. Good unit. We use the 4020 Synchro on this because you can see the back tires better. My dad's wanted a John Deere 7000 6-row corn planter with liquid fertilizer. And here we got our 3010 turbo. You guys don't think it has a turbo, but trust me, she does have a turbo. 3010 turbo. She's diesel. I don't know if I can get a clear look in there for you guys with the old turbo, but she's up there somewhere. Right there's a turbo. I don't know how much hours it has on it. You can't quite tell. I don't know. You can't tell the hours on this. She's a good girl. Real good. And here we got our 535 John Deere round baler. We use our ACO Alice on this. She's good. We got fucking the stupid fucking belts. We use twine. Dad wants to get a net wrap baler, but. And here we got our 4020 power shift. 4020 power shift. Power shift. It's got about 45,168 hours on it. We use this tractor more. We don't use this tractor as much as that one, but that one has less hours because it has a whole built motor. But last time my dad used that, it had about more hours than this tractor, 4020 power shifter. Then here we got our 3940 chopper, 2-row head. We only roll with 2 rows. We're hoping to get a whole new header for it, but good thing. Plugs up a little bit, so we put new belts on it. She works a lot better. It's way much better in here. We got our ACO Alice 8785. It's a good tractor to us. Has a loader. I can show you guys that in a little bit. But she's a real good tractor. She has about, in there for you guys, that much hours on it. 50,181 hours on it. We don't use this tractor that much either. Hope you guys liked the video. Bye.